What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what it do, baby? So guys, today we're gonna do the unboxing of our ring light. I don't even know how to feel about this, guys, because if you know me and you know that I've been talking about this ring light, especially in that Christmas gift video that's linked below, click that link, guys. But if you all know how much I've been talking about this, you would know that this moment is well needed, guys. So we're gonna just jump right into it. Okay, guys, so basically in this video we're gonna just unbox and we're going to talk a little bit more about 2021, things to come, things that we're gonna do this year, goals, plans, things we need for 2021. Like, guys, it's really real. We're in a new year. How do y'all feel about the new year? Comment below your thoughts about the new year so far. Like I said, guys, today is the 5th, and do you all know that like we're 5 days in? Like, tomorrow's gonna be the 6th, guys. We're 6 days into the new year. Like, wow. And it feel like it just started yesterday. Ugh. I don't know what to say, guys, but I do have my scissors on hand. Once again, this ring light is going to be tagged in the description box. It's a Neewer ring light. It's an 18-inch ring light that I received for Christmas when Santa was just oh so great to me. But we're going to move past Santa now, and we're going to get into this brand new year. More things to come, guys. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut this box open, and then we're going to get straight into it. Okay, guys, so we now have it open. We're going to just dig right into it. First, while opening this, I'm going to tell you all some of my goals for this year. Guys, this is 2021. There's so much that's in store for this year, guys. Y'all don't understand. Like, I'm really in love with this year already, because it's so much that I have plans on doing, guys. There's so much that I want us to do together. So many places I want us to go together, guys. But we're gonna start it off like this, guys. 2021 Glam Pharmacy. I'm manifesting it, guys. Glam Pharmacy is gonna be big this year. We're gonna get our last prescriptions filled. We're gonna get our vitamins, some medical IDs. We're gonna move up into more cosmetic things. We're moved into the makeup brushes, guys. So of course you know that there's a pattern that's gonna go with that. So basically we're going to enhance the pharmacy. Hopefully by the end of the year, guys, we can be moving into a building. That's what I'm praying for. By the 2-year anniversary, I want to be in a building. Expanding the pharmacy, should I say. We're going to leave that at that, guys. Also, while expanding the pharmacy, I want to branch into actually providing a service. I want to do makeup. I want to allow clients to come in and we just work together. I want it at least to be at least 2 clients a day, if I can start it off that way. Maybe increase as time goes on. But guys, I know that, you know, it's a lot going on now, you know, with the pandemic that we're still in, of course. It's a lot of safety precautions that I would have to take. So, you know, a lot of sanitation and a lot of cleaning would be needed and would be enforced, because of course I don't want to get sick and I wouldn't want any of my clients to be sick. So with that being said, that's another idea that I have in my head that's really just a vision of mine, because of course I'm doing makeup. I'm showing you all about makeup. Why shouldn't I be able to do clients, right? Why shouldn't I take clients? So that's gonna be goal number 2. Of course, I'm not sure if I've told you this, but I am a owner of another brand that's called Incredible, and it's a graphic designing business. I basically create logos for your business, print out business cards, thank you cards, logo stickers, guys. It's so much that I do, along with helping others. So that with that being said, Incredible is going to be a success this year. We're going to get more businesses into our branding business to help brand your business. It's just going to be a whole big spiel. Lastly, guys, but before I get to that, we're going to show off what's in these boxes. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so here's the actual ring light. It's in a much smaller box. As you can see, I can hold this box up. This is a much smaller box. This is the actual ring light itself. Also, guys, I have a long box like this. I'm kind of guessing this is the tripod that it stands up on because it's kind of heavy, and I believe that's the heaviest part. Also, with that came another Neewer box. The Neewer box, not really positively sure what's in it. Maybe it could be the filters. I don't really know, guys, but we're going to get into that. First, we're going to leave the two boxes that are branded over here, and we're going to move into this longer box, which is, I think I said, it's the tripod. So we're going to move into that. So let's go ahead and see. So as a goal, or a resolution, I guess I should say, for 2021, personally, I'm going to say I want to lose a few pounds, guys. Oh, guys, it was the tripod. I want to lose a few pounds. Fupa has to go, guys. The fupa must leave me alone. So, here's the tripod, guys. It looks nice. I can't wait to open this. So, that's one. I'm going to start more of eating healthier. I'm sorry, I'm not letting go of my Starbucks. So if Starbucks was going to hinder me from losing weight, I'm sorry, I won't lose any. Just playing, guys. But I'm not going to lay off my Starbucks. I just want you all to know that part. This ring light came with a tripod that is branded. My ring light tripod isn't branded, so this must be something new. So also, a few things I feel we all need for businesses in 2021. We must start off with a computer, guys. A computer or a tablet, should I say. I don't want nobody to go out and buy a computer, but I have a MacBook Pro, and I love it because it does a lot of things I needed to do, almost everything I needed to do. So I feel that I don't need my phone for it, but my phone also helps me take the pictures. The ring lights are going to bring better quality, of course, to the pictures. Also, guys, get you some file folders. I can't open this and show you exactly what's in it because it's for another business venture that I'll maybe talk about towards the end. But this right here is some file folders. I keep all my business stuff in file folders, to be honest. Also, guys, get you one of these. This, of course, is a binder. Get you a binder, section it off into the sections that you need it to be sectioned off in, and write, baby, write, print, manifest, and pray. That's the things I can tell you to do. But we're going to just open this up right fast so we can see exactly how it is. These right here, I'm going to show you the last thing almost towards the end, but get you either a single subject. The single subject was only supposed to be for one thing, and it has so many things in it, y'all. So many ideas, so many business things I want to come up with. Like, that's mainly ideas. But guys, you need them, so just get it. Dollar Tree has them. Get it. So we're gonna move right along into what's in this Neewer box. Here's basically some clear filters that goes around the ring light. But these are the orange ones. I normally have 2 orange and 2 white or 2 clear on my ring light. Customer service. Let's put that there. These are the color filters that I was just showing you. It shows you exactly how to apply those. Here's the plugs. Here's the big piece, guys. The piece that connects exactly to the ring light. Is gonna come with a wire. You just plug it in there. This plugs into here, plug it in the wall, and there you have that. Here's a new, I'm guessing a new Get It gadget for your phone. Let me take it out so I can show you. Mine didn't come like this, so this must be a newer version of it. Yeah, it lets it sit up more. Mine doesn't really sit on this, so this is nice. Also, it gives you a Bluetooth remote, great for taking selfies. You know, I have one of these. I actually have 2 of them because of the tripod that holds my camera also has one. We were also talking about 2021 goals, guys. Honestly, I'm ready for it. I don't know about you all, but I am honestly ready for 2021 because my goals are really out there opening the actual ring light. So I think I'm ready. I don't know, guys. I just think I'm ready for what life has planned for me. Now, one difference that I can say that the ring light that I have already, it's more heavier than this one for sure. And it also didn't come with, oh yes it did, it did. Sorry guys, it did. Okay, so let's get ready to hook it up. I'm gonna see how it looks just sitting on this stand because I'm gonna have to read the directions because right now I don't see how you hook it up. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so I've now set the ring light up. I don't want to blind you all because I didn't put the actual filters on it yet. But guys, look how bright the office is now. Baby, we about to get into it. Do you hear me? So guys, listen. I absolutely love it. It's a tad bit different from my other one. But guys, look at the difference. Do you see the difference? I'm not going to put everything. I'm not going to put both of them up bright as they go. But I'm also not going to keep it the lighting like this, honey. We have to get some light. I'm loving it. Lastly, before we go ahead and end this video, guys, we're going to talk about the last and most important thing, the most important thing you need in 2021 as far as personal reasons, as far as business reasons. Guys, stay hydrated, but also get you a planner, guys. Get a planner, guys. It gives a lot of things in it. You get monthly calendars, weekly calendars, yearly reference calendars, holidays, notes pages, contact pages, and a password record page. Guys, if you don't need all that in your planner, well, what you need a planner for? A calendar on 2 full pages just to fill out that calendar. So this is the weekly, on the weekly calendar. You can fill in some things you need to do. On the big calendar at the beginning of the month, you can add more notes to it. That it's a 2021's agenda. I need it. Gotta document everything. You have to make sure that everything that I'm thinking be written down so that we can unfold all the goals and let everything just unfold in front of you. So guys, I believe that is gonna wrap up this video, guys. Of course, I'm about to start a whole new series on the channel, guys, for those of you who are very creative just stay tuned and work with me, guys. So that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh.